Hey guys, Hopper singing GTTP here. Okay, it is almost 2024. 3 minutes left until 2023. And when the clock hits 12 a.m., January 1st, 2023, I'm gonna hit, what's that one called? Generate EAS and play. So, I'm gonna hit that when that hits 12 a.m. Alrighty. Here's the info, originator. Sorry if it's blurry or something. Here's the info. Alright, 11:58. 2 minutes left. Alright, I cannot wait. Two minutes left. 2 minutes left. Okay. There you go. Oh, 11:59. Getting close. 1 minute left now. Oh, wow. Alrighty. 11:59. Sunday, December 31st, 2023. Sunday. Yeah. EAS encode? Yeah, this is the EAS encode application. Alright. 20 seconds left. Alright. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes! 2024. Alrighty. Let's do it. Sorry you can't hear it. Turn that down a little bit.
Everyone, it's finally 2024. I activated the EAS just for the new year. It's Hopper activating this. We wish you a happy new year, everyone. Hopper with Sling and Gone. End of this EAS activation.
Alrighty. Hopper Sling and GATGP signing off.